Hi there! Welcome you to my channel again.
I'm turning dreams into reality. In the lab with the formula in chemistry. Your memories spark and motivate and make the industry shake. We put the bars in the brakes. I'm talking one chance at best, yes. Painting pictures for the culture, keep the brushes fresh. One shot, now the future is yours. Go!
Okay, today I'm gonna try to show you how to do product photography on a budget. We will need a camera. I'm gonna use a APS-C camera from Canon. It can be literally any camera you already have. We will need also a lens. I'm gonna use Nifty 50, so it's gonna be 50mm 1.8 from Canon. And we will need a light source. So for the light source I'm gonna use a single bulb setup. For a modifier I'm gonna use Octobox umbrella because I already have this one, but you can use middle part of 5-in-1 reflector, which is a diffusion material to soften up your single bulb setup light source. And finally 5-in-1 reflector. We will use the black side of it to act as a background. For the surface I'll use an extension from my table, but you can use a table, desk, or any surface you find appealing. So I'm gonna lit the scene from above to get this dramatic look. If you need a different look, you will have to play around with the light. You can place the light more towards the front of the shot or more towards the back, so you get the backlit effect, and you can place some reflectors in front of the subject to get properly exposed the shot. But it depends on what the product will be. I choose to shoot a bottle of whiskey, so I need this over the top light source and this warm environment with the wood and dark background. Okay, so this is it for me. So stay inspired, do make stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.